There you go, fifth grade. You know what to do. Subtract those two mixed numbers. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. Step number 1, find the least common denominator. You should know how to do that real easy by now, if you've been doing all the work I've been giving you. It is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. All right, now it's time to subtract. This numerator is bigger than that numerator, so I can subtract easily. My denominator stays the same. 5 minus 3 is 2. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes. Now I subtract my whole numbers. 2 minus 1 is 1. And there's your answer. 1 and 2 ninths. All right. This one, boys and girls, you will have to borrow. Subtract that problem. 20 1/3 minus 9 1/2. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how excellent you did. All right. Step number 1, find the least common denominator. In this case, it would have been 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Now notice, this numerator is smaller than that numerator. Therefore, you have to borrow. You come over here to the 20 and take 1 away. 20 minus 1 is 19. Now the 1 that you took away, you're going to bring over here and make it a fraction. And add it to the top fraction. You're going to use this denominator, 6, and make it the numerator too. So it's 6 over 6. We're adding those two together. So, 2 plus 6 is 8. My denominator stays the same. I'm just going to bring this fraction over so it's easy to subtract. And now I can subtract because this numerator is now bigger than that one. So 8 minus 3 is 5. My denominator stays the same. Is that an improper fraction? No. Is that in simplest form? Yes. Now I subtract my whole numbers. 19 minus 9 is 10. 10 and 5, 6 is the truth. All right. Now, subtract a whole number minus a mixed number. Remember, you must borrow. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. So, I have 4 here and no fraction. I've got to put a fraction here, otherwise I can't subtract. So, I take 1 away from the 4, it becomes a 3. I change that 1 I borrowed into a fraction. I use the denominator they give me, and I also make it the numerator, 2 over 2. Now I can subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. My denominator stays the same. Is that an improper fraction? No. Is that in simplest form? Yes. 3 minus 1 is 2. And there's my answer. 2 and 1/2. Didn't even take a minute to get it done. All right. Last one for review. Adding two fractions. 5/15 plus 3/5. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. All right, you had to find the least common denominator. In this case, it was 15. 15 times 1 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. 15 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 times 3 is 9. All right, so now all you got to do is add. The denominator always stays the same. 5 plus 9 is 14. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes. So there's your answer. 14 over 15. And there you go, little fifth graders. That's how you get it done. Now you get it done with your assignment on Google Classroom.